AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollar. So before we do that, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links like it says swing like a pro. So click on this link, then come to this page right here where you can go and check out these setups which we have taken in the recent past. And then you can join this program and you can trade with me. Okay, so then we have a link says book consultation. If you want to speak with me, you can book one-to-one consultation with me, and you can join my free Telegram for sure. So let's get back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have left the resistance, broke this low, so we were down so far. Okay, we were down till now, and this is daily, so this was your resistance, new trend, pullback, new low. This time it has not created a new low. Okay, so until this swing low doesn't break, we will not go down. Coming back to 4-hour, we have, what do we have? We still don't have a new low, so I think this is the time for a relief bounce. Okay, yeah, this swing low is not broken, so I guess we have completed maybe the down moves for the time being, and we might get a relief bounce, maybe a pullback. Okay, so let's see again. This was at 69884. This is at 6992. This could act like a double bottom, because this candle did not close below this candle, so this could act like a double bottom, and we might go up slightly. Okay, so this might not do the trend reversal. However, we might get a relief, which means I don't see price going down. I think it should pull back. It should pull back, and then we have to decide. So if all these highs gets broken, then we will look for longs. But if we go up and then reject, then we might continue going down. But for now, I think the down move is going to pause, and we will see some relief bounce. So if you want to enter and exit with me, not me. So if you want to trade with me when I enter, when I exit, then check out Swing Like a Pro, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.